YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yes, man, YouTube gang is already with back in the lab, continuing our consistency when it comes to reactions and the bangers. You see me I say, and we're back here with an artist, up and coming artist, yeah, man. Wait, bro. The youth are bad. You see me I say the youth are we rock to him many time. And we gonna check him out again. He's back with another one. You see me I say link up again with Cash Code. And then there's a new artist on this one called Daej that we haven't heard of. But if you don't know, by now we're talking about Adofo. Yeah, man, we react to Adofo a lot of time. And I'm telling you, Adofo got a lot of promise in the game. You see me I say makes very exhilarating, exciting, fun music. You see me I say. Yes, I mean, I do for copy cash code, and there's a new artist called Daej. I guess we're gonna check him out. I guess we're gonna hear a little bit from him, see who he is. As I say, so we're gonna get a preview from him. So we'll check it out and see. But yeah, man, gang, how y'all been? I hope everything's been good. I hope how's this cold weather treating y'all, man? Right now, we're cold as fuck in Florida. As I say that, no joke. Florida cold, no blowing. It's got a long time Florida not reach this cold. As I right now, we're in the 30s right now. As where we in right now? I think we're in like. Yeah, we're 39 right now, 39 degrees right now, man. So, yeah, it's pretty cold. I can only imagine up north and other states. But, yeah, man, gang, we're there, man. We're there, another one. We're there with Adofo. We're jump right in the chat. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, man. You see me and say we're back with another banger. Let's get it. I know this one's going to be bro, I know an Adofo. Yeah, it's going to be an exhilarating, fun track. You see me and say normal vibes. Let's get it. Baby, I lost my mind. Damn, I do the same.
Hey, Cash Code. Every chapter must believe. Consecutive. Me drift the beast, it's like a ice. Me a skate, but me been a mish. Some little boy for just behave.
Come the freak on. First of all, here the things, baby, I lost my mind.
Maybe I lost my mind. Consecutive. Me drift the beast, it's like a ice. Me a skate, but me been a mish. Some little boy for just behave if me rockin' tease. You know it have to be the name, brand me like the street. Some me no care where I came from. Cash.
Man say ice, we a skate bank. Hey.
Some little boy for just
from a little been a me. Come on.
Me drift the beast, it's like a ice. Me a skate, but me been a mish. Some little boy for just behave if me rockin' tease.
Me jiffy beast like a ice, me a skate pan, me been a me. Some little boy when me rocking tees. I want to do that.
If the beast is like a ice, me a skate, but me been a mish. Some little boy for just behave if me rocking tees. You know it have to be the name, brand me like the street. Some me no care where I came from. Cash code of the
sun. Say have to be name brand, stop play.
Name brand me like the street. Some me no care where I came from. Cash code of the sauce and a wheel as I every gallery rep the juffy down in a mobile farm. Who that know them fi stop it on a PS and them say them one pussy, but do you got
Bombo please not Adofo?
I'm a be a fam. Who that know them fi stop it on a PS and them say them one pussy, but do you got the pay? Because I raving them off it out them savings. The bag of fame thing not relevant, you hear me? Me can go spend $1 million and it no shake. Me no cap into me thing them my lifestyle and me no fake it. 4 B's and me never walk a pay slip. So if a friendship you look fuck you and your favorite. Me tell Pooh no mercy, remember slavery hurt.
Clad, so they won't put in they have a papers, bomba. We, come on.
Them fi stop it on a PS and them say them one pussy, but do you got the papers? I raving them off it out them savings. The bag of fame thing not relevant, you hear me? Me can go spend $1 million and it no shake. Me no cap into me thing them my lifestyle and me no fake it.
Me raving them off it touch them savings.
The bag of fame thing not relevant, you hear me? Me can go spend $1 million and it no shake. Me no cap into me thing them my lifestyle and me no fake it. 4 B's and me never walk a pay slip. So if a friendship you look fuck you and your favorite. Me
4 B's me never blood clear look a friend. Me never work a place if so if a friendship you
million and it no shake. Me no cap into me thing them my lifestyle and me no fake it. 4 B's and me never walk a pay slip. So if a friendship you look fuck
be a market, see that have poor park up, go on show.
You and your favorite. Me tell Pooh no mercy, remember slavery hurting skull daily. Berlin and my favorite. Lap will a king.
Buckler hurting skull daily. Berlin and my favorite. Hurting skull daily. What's wrong with them?
Slavery hurting skull daily burling and me favorite.
Mama.
We lock in then we jump out monster. Statesman just tap a skull named Santa. A big 7 on the lane I must see tanker. Fully lane a German like they play them down a songsters. Oh watch a post look like something way abundant. A couple pound belly scam out of London.
Girl them man easy no mama hey.
Like they play them down a songsters. Oh watch a post look like something way abundant. A couple pound belly scam out of London. Scholar sell loan from the bang up on the charger. 300 blackout with 20 pan informer. Me jump out a whip and then me switch into another one. The X4 the Burberry you think a pan and a transit scholar veteran. So it's a bomber that me convince a goon with a brick off of Amazon. Any check me send out of it full of Amazon. Digits and a feel 9-8 of it commoners. From outlaw pillars scholar never panadol. No watch it chit chat just know so we are the mother one. I cap on
Buckler easy walla. Pull up. Adofo, you can't move to the whole team when I come through.
Belly scam out of London. Scholar sell loan from the bang up on the charger. 300 blackout with 20 pan informer.
Scholar sell loan, scholar sell loan pan the bang up on the charger.
Me jump out a whip and then me switch into another one. The X4 the Burberry you think a pan and a
jump out and whip switch it to another one. The X4 Burberry you think a pan and a
transit scholar veteran, so it's a bomber that me convince a goon with a brick.
Transit scholar is a veteran, so it's a bomber that.
For Amazon, any check me send out of it full of Amazon. Digits and a feel 9-8 of it commoners. From outlaw.
Any check me send out of your commas and digits and I feel like say
Neat of it commoners. Amazon digits and I feel 9-8 of it commoners. From outlaw pillars scholar never panadol. No watch it chit chat just know so we are the mother one. I cap on
outlaw with pillars scholar never panadol youth.
Just know so we are the mother.
Hold on.
Never panadol, no watch it chit chat, just know so we are the mother one. I cap on a day, so get the games up. Pussy be a hacker there, so we can't team, so no follow we up. Who just book him?
Cap on so get your gear, go on.
So we can't team, so no follow we up. Who just book him riches and go science him up? You know, see, I say me lie, who know I hype on the broke. Your bitch no pretty than me, girl, I just a fucking a stud. Alone German from me, so we pull on the pump. This ever Burberry, fuck me, even chipping it up. Not even high sex drive, can make me fuck.
I love making several Burberry, you know, man. Blood cleat, I want to.
Give me down.
Then is that you?
Yo, Kuya watching our creative click shoot the one I hear that.
Click.
Believe no man.
Yes, man, gang, yo. Adofo did this thing. So, how me not see Bombard? Oh, well, I guess Daej is probably one of the producer them. Come on, someone say Daej jump on a blood killer Adofo murder the whole track by himself. But I guess he's one of the producers just like Cash Code. Okay. Alright, that's what's up. Adofo, Raving, bro. The man went crazy on that shit. You know, I told you it was gonna be something crazy and exhilarating, bro. The man always just chopping, just going crazy on the rhythm, bro. Adofo, bro, one of the best, bro. The man, he's very talented. He's one of the best up and coming artists in that game, bro. I keep telling you, like, yo, keep doing your thing, Adofo. We don't know where you can take it and that, but you can solidify our space in the game. You see me? I'm saying you can. You know, if you come and bigger money can change your song, go way. It's all about where you take it from here. You know what I'm saying? But you definitely have the talent and the creativity and the star ability. I'm telling you, man, it's all about what you do with it from here. And how you put in the work, and how you network, and how you drop and all these things in your body at work. So only time you can tell from this time from here on out. You see me? I say. So yeah, man, Adofo, big up your damn self and keep working, gang. You know what I'm saying? I'm curious to see where your career gonna go from here, man. You see me? I say, no joke. Gang, let me know anything about that. Adofo again with another one, Raving. You see me? I say, what do you think about Adofo did on the track, man? I really like that one. Adofo style is very, You see me? I'm rock with Adofo style. You see me? You don't know what kind of when it comes to trap music. You know, some live with all type of music when it comes to dance, all like genre. Them, you see me? I say and what type of music I look for a certain genre and how I look for the artist, them man. But yeah, Adofo definitely got the star quality, got the creativity. Yeah, man, a chap for the whole bloodly, and that's my favorite type of songs. Like you see me? I say when the artist just come on just chopping, go crazy, the straight through, and that's what he be doing, bro. Like Adolfo be going crazy, and he be having hooks too. So don't go getting crazy, but you have time when he can just spit right out. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on Adolfo, style, where you think he's going, where you think his trajectory is. I mean, where you think he can take it? Do you think he can take over a game just like how predicted with Skipper, another artist? Says me, I say. And shit. Remember, I even Skilly Bang, bro. Skilly Bang is the first artist me reacted on the channel because I thought, yo, this man gonna go far in the music. And when it comes to like new school artists, you see me, that's coming out who have potential, and that's how I really like go about my music. You know, I mean, yeah, I reacted to the artists we all know, but when it comes to like new artists and stuff, that's how I go about it. I be like, yo, bam, wait. You see me, so my time we react to a song and we are artists and then go on. And then we say, all right, we're intrigued. We're going to react to another artist, react to the artist, another song from the artist that we hear. You see me? And so we keep on leading to different things. And sometimes we hear one, two from artists, and I'm like, okay. And sometimes, all right, since I heard that one, we're going to react to a different one, and then we start building. But you don't know what things like. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till next time. Hit the like and subscribe button, by the way. Hype up the video, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.